Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial in C++, and today's topic is going to be about installing C++ compiler. And today we're going to be talking about G++, which is the library for Linux. To install this compiler, what we can do in Linux is sudo apt get and then install G++, and this should install the G++ compiler for your Linux subsystem. Right now on screen I'm using the WSL, but this should be the same procedure for any type of Linux. So after the installation, I already have the G++ in my system, so I won't be running that command. To make sure that it's installed, we can do G++, and it should say G++ fatal error, or we could also do G++ -- version, and it should output the version of the G++. For example, my version is 11.3. So to compile a C++ file, I have here a tutorial1.cpp file. C++ files end in .cpp, .cc, .cxx, and there's many more. Let's create a code which prints out hello world. I'm importing the IOStream library and creating the main function So in C++, the main function is the main function that is always run whenever like the output of the C++ file is run. And inside this main file, we have std ::cout, which is the character output function. And we're giving this function the characters or the string hello world. And so let's compile this using G++. So after the compilation, so we give it G++ and then the name of the file. If we do ls, this should have a file called a.out. If we do a.out, if we just run that file, it should print out hello world. I was missing the new line character, so it's not giving a new line. So we can also for compilation purposes, we can also give it a particular output file, let's say program.output. And let's run this file. And we see here hello world. And that's the tutorial for running installing G++ and running a particular file. in C++. And thanks for watching.